All right, at this time, I'd like to call upon Ken Pereira. Please make your way to the stage. Some kind of birthday or something going on. What's up? You got the stuff? All right, gang. Leilani, please make your way to the stage. And Cindy. Where's Cindy? Cindy Pena. Garcia. Leilani, please come. I've waited a long time for this. And so has she. This is super spontaneous, and I just wanted to do this in front of all our family. And I think this is an appropriate place celebrating the 25th Tahiti Fete. So, hang on. Please hold this. Hang on. Say hi. Say hi.
Kind of hot up here, yeah? All of a sudden.
Alright, you guys, get all your cameras on. It's been a long time. And we get one more box over here too, for your mom. So I, Mark Yamanaka, would like to ask you, Laura Leilani Christine Pereira, if you would marry me. Actually, I gotta get down with it. Yeah, I never did this before. Here we go. One more ring here. Oh, and she still gotta sign this shirt of mine.
You remember the pen?
Just sign it. Thank you. That was the grand surprise tonight. Mahalo to all of our family and my sister for being here. It was kind of a hush-hush thing, and I'm so happy to be here. And of course, I have Kellen Lee Howe on stage, my best friends. Our best friends. And of course, all of you guys, the Tahiti Fete family, mahalo nui. We're gonna have them finish. I'm gonna hang with my fiance over here. Thank you guys. Aloha.
How about you guys share a very first dance as an engaged couple?
Don't think I can leave it all. There's something to me, sends a shot right through me. Maybe you wonder how I spell I'm it's your love, just does something to me, sends a shot right through me. If you wonder how I spell I'm
Congratulations, Mark and Melanie. Long time coming.
Give that to Smith. Take your picture.
Okay, over drinks.
Coffee, bro. Coffee break. Coffee every time. We're gonna have coffee. Hey, Norman, thank you. Thanks for filming it.
Why are you here filming? I was like, what?